camera.
It's on. Fish on.
Yes.
All right, step forward just a little bit.
That's what I'm talking about.
All right.
Yes. Oh. Yeah. Another largemouth.
What did we catch them on?
Minnows.
All right. Very nice. Look at that. One.
And that's all the way over there. We caught that all the way.
We're right across under that tree. All right.
Very nice, a largemouth.
Hold them out. Down just a little bit. Hold them out all the way. All right. Let's let him go.
I'll show a picture at the end of the video of a huge catfish I caught yesterday. But yeah, it's a really huge catfish. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, mister.
There he goes.
There he goes. See y'all next time if I catch one.